We're going to make a couple of mailboxes. The first one will be kind of your standard mailbox that you would have in front of your house. So we have our two vanishing points. I would start by just making the top part of it, which will be a box. So vertical line and up to my left vanishing point. I think this will be the long side and this will be the front of the mailbox. So this right side I'll make a little shorter. Up to the right vanishing point. Okay. And then make my two vertical lines. Need to put a top on this. So I'll go from the top left, crisscrossing to the right vanishing point, and then from this point, go from right to left, so they crisscross. All right, so this is the top of my mailbox. If I want it to be rounded, like a more standard mailbox, I can do it one of two ways. I can bring the top of it up and do the same thing at the back. Then I just kind of use my vanishing point to make sure that this lines up. Okay, so it looks like that one needs to be a little higher. I'm gonna run another little line through there. Yeah, so then I would just erase what's inside and I'd have my rounded mailbox. Okay. Another way I could do it is just simply kind of round it right inside of here, the front and the back, and change it that way. But I kind of like to bring it up. So I've got the mailbox shape. If I wanted it to be open, I could just use my left vanishing point, have the little flap come out, and then I would use this one so I get the right angle on it, but I would also have to kind of round this too. And that you just have to kind of play with an eyeball. Okay. It needs a post, so I would put a vertical, and then at the bottom of the post down here, to make it look three-dimensional, I just go up to the left, up to the right, and then make two vertical lines. So it's more three-dimensional. Okay. If I were doing one of those like blue mailboxes, the kind that you see at the at the post office or where you drop mail off, I would make a larger box, and I'm not actually going to use my vanishing points. I'm just going to show you. I would use my vanishing points, but I'm not going to use my ruler. You should use your ruler, but I'm trying to go quick. Okay, so I have my basic box. I could bring it down to make the bottoms, right? Bring this down lower. Use my vanishing points to make the bottoms of these look more three-dimensional. And then those mailboxes have a rounded top on them too. Then I would have to look up a picture of a mailbox so I could kind of decorate it, right? U.S. Postal Service or whatever.